Cheat days have no place on your carnivore diet. Let me just say it straight up front. When you started the carnivore diet, you made a commitment to your health. This was a life-altering decision to change what you eat for the sake of your health. It's not something you casually decide. It's something you start with a mindset shift that says, I'm going to do this. I'm committed to do it because of my health. And you cannot have cheat days. I'm going to give you 10 things that are going to happen to you if you have cheat days. 10 reasons why you should not have a cheat day on the carnivore diet. No matter how tempting it is, stay true to who you are and be carnivore. Tip number 1, the inflammation and the pain is going to come back. Is that worth it? You see, a lot of people start the carnivore diet because they have inflammation, which is at the root of nearly every metabolic disease known to us. It's something you just want to get rid of. And that's why you started carnivore diet in the first place. You know, you've been on carnivore diet for a while and you've already got rid of a lot of that inflammation that you had, that chronic pain that you suffered, that mind fog that you had to put up with, and you can undo all of that with just one cheat day. Is it really worth it? You see, what are you going to eat on this cheat day? You're going to go back to carbs. You're going to go back to sugar. Sugar is pure, sweet, and deadly. It's a poison and highly addictive. And you're going to play around with that? Is it really worth it? Is that really what you want to do? You see, just one meal with carbs and sugar is going to undo so much of the good work that you have done. It's going to ruin so much of what you have achieved. All for the sake of a biscuit or a cake or something that you shouldn't eat, and you know you shouldn't eat. And within 24 hours, your swollen joints can be back, your headaches can be back, your immune system can start to play havoc again. Look, it's just not worth it. It's all going to come back so quickly and so easily. You'll be amazed. It can only take a day to undo weeks of good work. Tip number 2, you know what else is going to come back? The cravings. You see, if you give in and have something sweet or something full of carbs, it triggers those cravings. And you spent weeks mastering those cravings and getting on top of them. And one slip up, your body's going to taste it again, and you're going to want it again. All the cravings are going to come back, and you'll have to do all that hard work of defeating the cravings all over again. It would be like an alcoholic giving in to the temptation for one drink, and he would undo so much of the good work. It's exactly the same with carbs and sugar. Here's reason number 3. When you go back and you get back on the sugar or you get back on the carbs, then your blood sugar level is going to start these wild fluctuating swings again. And that just causes so much damage. It's not good for your brain. It's not good for your health. It's not good in any way at all. You want that blood sugar even, and to cause a spike when you go out and eat one piece of cake or whatever it is that you're going to cheat on, it's just not worth it. It's going to undo so much more than you're aware that it's doing. Number 4, you also risk upsetting your digestive system because you're playing around with what you eat. It's obviously going to affect your digestive system. And you know, you've come through that early period on carnivore and you've had either diarrhea or constipation, and you have a cheat day and you risk all of that coming back again. And it was so unpleasant at the time. Have you forgotten that? And you risk going back there and doing it all again for the sake of a cheat day? Really? Is that what you want to do? Here's number 5. One single cheat day can bring all the mental fog back, all the brain fog back. It only takes a day of eating the wrong food and it will all come back and your mind will be clouded again. You'll feel awful. You'll have guilt symptoms on top of that. Look, it's just not worth it. I say it over and over again. Don't do it. You're going to feel sluggish, you're going to feel tired, you're going to feel mentally drained, you're going to feel so many negative emotions. Let me tell you again, your mindset is your greatest weapon on carnivore. You have to get into a carnivore mindset on day 1 and stay there. It's far more than a casual thing. Oh, I'll give it a try for a while and see how I do. Yeah, you might start that way, but you've got to change your mindset. You've got to change your mindset and say, I am carnivore. I am doing this. I am committed to it. I'm not going to have a cheat day. I'm not going to go back. Reason number 6 why you shouldn't have a cheat day. And that is you're going to risk messing around with your weight and water retention all over again. Look, it's just not worth it. I'm going to say that on every point, aren't I? But you risk putting weight back on. You've worked so hard to get where you are. Think of all the work, the sacrifices you made, the determination and commitment you've shown, and you're going to ruin that in just one day? That is absolutely crazy. Just don't do it. Reason number 7 why you shouldn't have a cheat day, and that is that you're going to break the habit pattern. You see, you've spent weeks, months, or however long it is, setting up habits in your life that are life-changing, that impact your health, impact your future, and you're going to undo that with one decision. And as soon as you make one chink in the armour, as soon as you make one slip, it's so easy to take the second, where you say, well, I've done it now, I may as well have 2. I may as well have 3. I may as well pig out and eat the lot. Look, I can get back on it tomorrow. Look, folks, that is a deception and a lie. It doesn't work like that. You're going to just ruin so much good work. Look, I'll say it one more time. Don't do it. Reason number 7 not to cheat, and this is something you don't always see on carnivore as a tangible outcome, but when you're on carnivore, your gut bacteria changes and improves, and you have a better gut health. You can't see that, you can't measure it, but it's very, very real, and with a cheat day, you can mess up your whole gut health, the whole gut health bacteria again, just by eating the wrong foods for one day. You just don't want to do it. Reason number 9. You think, all right, I'll have a cheat day and I'll just get back on the wagon. I've done it before and I'll do it again. Look, it's not that simple. When you have a cheat day, it's not one day back on carnivore and you're all good and set to go. It's going to take you at least a week of very strong and determined commitment to get back on the carnivore diet. It's just not worth it. And number 10, here we are at number 10. The 10th reason not to do it is that it's just going to mess you up psychologically. You're going to hate yourself. You're going to say, oh, look, I tried so hard, and then you'll finish up saying, look, it's too hard on carnivore. I give in. Look, maybe I'll try it again later. Maybe I'll try it again in after Christmas or after holidays or after whatever. Look, friends, it's just not worth it. You've made the start. The biggest, hardest thing, most difficult thing of all on carnivore diet is starting. And you've just got to get out there and start and do it. And you start having cheat days and it's just going to mess your mindset up. It's going to mess your headset up. It's just going to play with you psychologically, and it's just not worth it. So let me give you an alternative to a cheat day. Have your cheat day, but have a carnivore cheat day. That means, maybe go out and splurge on a nice piece of ribeye. Maybe treat yourself to a decent piece of meat, or go out to a decent meat restaurant where you can have a feed of meat and celebrate that way. You see, you've got to learn to celebrate without food. We don't want to take celebration out of our life. We don't want to take family gatherings out of our life. They're part of our culture and so valuable to us. But look, you can go to those places and do those things, but stay true to who you are. Just because you're with your family, just because you're with your friends, does not mean that you have to cheat in order to be happy. Look, focus on the people, not upon the food. Put cheating off the agenda. The price is far too high for you to mess around with on carnivore. So look, friends, please make an effort. Please take this seriously. You're going to do far more harm than good. Don't have cheat days. I would invite you to join our Facebook group, the Carnivore Pensioner. And also, if you've gotten any value out of this video, I would encourage you to like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next video, but until then, hey, keep telling your story.